Gwnaf symud ymlaen ar ôl gadael ysgol. Gwnaf gychwyn ar fy ngyrfa. Wyt ti rhwng 16 ac 17 mlwydd oed, wedi gadael ysgol, yn ddiwaith, falle bydd hyfforddiaeth yn berffaith i ti. Mae'n wych. Os ydych ti'n hoffi gweithio gyda chyfrifiadurol, beth am wneud hyfforddiaeth mewn tyga? Neu, os wyt ti'n greadigol, efallai bod hyfforddiaeth yn y gyfryngau'n ddelfrydol i ti. Yn debyg i bob hyfforddiaeth, mae'n rhoi'r cyfle i ti roi cynnig ar defnyddio'r offer, dysgu i weithio fel tîm, a dysgu am bob math o swyddi yn y diwydiad cyfryngau.
It's a good course, friendly, meet new people, gain lots of experience in media. It's not just one particular topic, it's photography, video editing, animation, graphics.
I'm enjoying it, yeah, it's good fun. It's good learning new skills and meeting new people. When I was at school, I did a lot of ICT, and I think an ambition for me is I want to do screenplay writing and write films and produce films. It's great because we're learning about all different camera techniques, all the editing software like Final Cut and iMovie.
I did a lot of animation work, which at first I wasn't really comfortable with doing because it's something new to me. But Mike Roberts, my tutor, helped me through it, so I was able to get into my comfort zone. We've had a lot of opportunity to work in professional studios, and we got to work at Boomerang Studio, where we had a lot of space and a lot of equipment to.
It showed me something different, what it's like being in an actual studio, being in front of a camera, being behind the camera and everything. But it was good. It was a good experience.
Dyma beth yw hyfforddiaeth. Roedd cyfle i ti drwy gael profiad gwaith a thrwy cysylltiadau dyddar par gyda diwydiant i gael profiad o fywyd yn y sector wyt ti wedi ddewis. Mae hefyd yn helpu i fagu hyder oherwydd wrth i ti ddysgu mwy, bydde di'n dod yn fwy hyderus yn dallu dy hun.
I did lack confidence when I came in here first, and I found my confidence grew as the course went on.
So you don't really have to be very confident because you will get confident as it progresses, because you will have to work together.
Mae hyfforddiaeth yn berffaith os ydych ti wedi gadael ysgol heb gwybod beth i'w wneud. Bydd yn rhoi amser i ti brofi gwahanol sgiliau ac yn agor drysau i ti. Dim ots os ydych ti eisiau parhau i ddysgu, symud ymlaen i'r coleg ar ôl hyfforddiaeth, gwneud prentisiaeth neu ganfod swydd.
Planning to go to college in September to do a level 2 media course. Then after that, I'd probably end up going on to do a level 3, which is A levels, then maybe going to university.
I've applied to do level 2 at college, and I hope that will take me on to A-level film studies, and then I would like to go on to do university as well.
Felly, os hoffet ti symud ymlaen fel y bobl ifanc ma, rwy ti'n gwybod beth i'w wneud, mynd ar gwrs hyfforddiaeth. Gwnaf symud ymlaen ar ôl gadael ysgol. Gwnaf ystyried hyfforddiaeth mewn tyga neu yn y cyfryngau.